ताशे बाजे गाजे के साथ में प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी का स्वागत पुष्प वर्षा करते हुए लोग और साथ ही साथ सांस्कृतिक कार्यक्रम नृत्य और
So Prime Minister Modi in Ghaziabad given a grand welcome as is seen in several of his rallies. There are supporters of the BJP who have lined up across the street to welcome him. The Prime Minister seen in the roadshow on his vehicle as he waves to the supporters who have been waiting to get a glimpse of the Prime Minister. My colleague Tejshri joining us on the broadcast with the details. Tejshri, ahead of the election, significant roadshow of the Prime Minister, the Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister also with him. This is one of the states where the BJP is hoping that it is going to be 100% strike rate for the party. It's going to be very, very significant in the 400 par vision that the BJP has set for itself.
Is certainly very much significant because it has been the bastion of BJP. Atul Garg is the candidate from the Ghaziabad constituency for whom Prime Minister Modi is holding a roadshow, and in fact along with him is also Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh Yogi Adityanath, who is also over here to in fact show to in fact give a message of double engine sarkar, and in fact this is what Prime Minister Modi has always been saying from his roadshow or in fact his rally whenever he is in Uttar Pradesh. Remember that earlier this constituency belonged to General VK Singh, and now he is replaced by Atul Garg, who will be the promising candidate for BJP. But the josh of people over here is certainly very much high, because you can see that people from Ghaziabad have all gathered over here to pour in support from Prime Minister, and in fact as the Prime Minister says that it is 400 par for this time, and in fact also remember that Congress has been saying, targeting BJP, saying that it will be an anti-incumbency for them, particularly in Ghaziabad constituency. Certainly the kind of, the roadshow that's being conducted, the kind of show of strength that people are showing over here, we'll also try to speak to them so as to get a sense of what the people of Ghaziabad thinks over here. अभी प्रधानमंत्री मोदी का रोड शो हो रहा है यहाँ पर, क्या लग रहा है आपको कि कौन जीतने वाला है यहाँ पर, किसकी सरकार बनेगी?
यहाँ पे मोदी जी की सरकार बनेगी और 400 पार कोई नहीं रोक सकता, क्योंकि अब की बार 400 पार।
क्या कारण है ऐसा, क्या काम किया है मोदी जी ने?
मोदी जी ने हम महिलाओं का सम्मान और इतना किया है कि शायद कोई कर नहीं सकता।
मोदी जी ने भारत को विश्व में पहचान बनाने की जो सबसे बड़ी देन दी है, वो आज तक कोई नहीं दे पाया। मोदी जी ने इतना बड़ा नाम करते, इतना नाम किसी के बस में
कांग्रेस का यहाँ पर कुछ
पत्ता साहब
मोदी सरकार महिलाओं की 50% वोट मोदी जी को जाने वाली है, जो किसी सरकार ने।
महिलाएं सुरक्षित है गाजियाबाद?
महिलाएं 100% सुरक्षित है। जो कभी किसी सरकार में मुरादनगर हमारी विधानसभा है, वहाँ तो इतनी व्यवस्था खराब थी कि माहौल खराब था, दिन में भी महिलाएं।
इस बार पूरा ओबीसी पिछड़ा वर्ग 100% मोदी जी के साथ।
All right, so this is what the people are saying, celebrating there. If you can show the visuals, this is how the people of Ghaziabad are celebrating, and in fact welcoming Prime Minister Modi. And in fact what they say is that the main issue for them is only and only Ram Mandir, for which they will be voting Prime Minister Modi. And in fact you see that the celebration over here massively is there, and people are also saying that the major thing for which they will be voting is Ram Mandir. And in fact surveys have also told that there is a strong Ram Mandir wave in the country as far as Lok Sabha elections 2024 are concerned.
Okay, all right. As part of its 400 par mission, the Prime Minister campaigning here. In fact, the Prime Minister has also been speaking about the opposition. Pragya is also joining us on the broadcast. Pragya, in fact, interestingly, earlier today, the Prime Minister also spoke about mission versus commission. He said, while the NDA government works with a mission for development for the country, the opposition only works for commission.
Well, this is the larger message that Prime Minister has been making in all his sabhas and roadshow, that we stand for corruption-free government, we stand for development, whereas when UPA came, it was a government of scams. And this is exactly what he meant when he said we are with a mission, we are here, we have a vision for 2047, which is Viksit Bharat, and we'll lay the foundation of that when we come to power in 2024. Prime Minister has been opposition right now who can take on BJP in the Lok Sabha election, and that is exactly what he is emphasizing in every Lok Sabha, that it's a done deal. But the challenge is to get them a huge majority, and that is why they had given slogan of 400 Par. Prime Minister is here in Ghaziabad Lok Sabha today, and he has been touring Western UP. Western UP is going to phase 1 polls, which is on April 19th, and this is very significant Lok Sabha and a very critical Lok Sabha, given the fact that Ghaziabad had always, majority of the time, had voted for BJP. Last 2 times there was General VK Singh, who was also on the rush with Prime Minister Narendra Modi. He was MP from here, he was Prime Minister. Also, he was a former army chief. A sense of pride that Prime Minister has instilled in the forces and in the ability of the forces that we had now. They had given, BJP has given a ticket to sitting MLA here, Mr. Atul Gar. He is the BJP candidate here. But if you look at the environment, it is definitely electrifying. There are chanting of Vedas, mantras, Hanuman Chalisa, Rudrashtakam. Obviously, the sentiment of Ram Temple is echoing in this Lok Sabha Ghaziabad seat is what we are getting from the field right now. That majority of the people, they are very enthused with the fact that they have a Prime Minister who has worked for Ram Temple, and this is the largest sentiment that has echoed in them. And we have spoken to many women also who had come here just to have a look at Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and most of them said that we don't want any freebies from any opposition parties. We are very thrilled that a Ram Temple has been built, and we are thrilled with the pace of development that this country is going through. This is exactly the narrative that BJP wants while it is going into the Lok Sabha post 2024, and it seems like that last time also, if you look at the numbers, there was 62% of the votes were polled in favor of General VK Singh, who was the MP candidate, Lok Sabha candidate for 2019. The first runner-up was not even very close. He got almost 4 lakh votes. This time, the BJP believes that they'll get more than that, more than 9 lakh votes that Mr. General VK Singh got last night. They are hoping that the kind of work that Modi government has done will be echoed in the voters. This will resonate on the ground, and that is why Prime Minister, where he has not done done rally in Ghaziabad, he is undertaking roadshow. He knows that Ghaziabad is part of National Capital Region, and every message that he will send across will go to Western UP as well as to the National Capital Region as well. So he knows what he is doing and exactly why this roadshow is very significant. We saw Yogi Adityanath also on the run, and there is a larger message that the BJP is sending from Ghaziabad Lok Sabha constituency.
Okay. In fact, in some of the constituencies, including Ghaziabad, Gautam Budh Nagar, Meerut and Bagpat, the BJP did have some of the challenges, including caste equations, as well as some of the popular faces who have been dropped. Pragya, do stay on with us. The BJP hopes that this rally of the Prime Minister is going to have an impact in 13 seats in Western Uttar Pradesh. Tejshri as well, requesting you to hold on with us. We'll slip into a very quick break. We'll be right back with these live visuals.
Co-presented by Amazing Spaces के लिए Green Lamp Laminates, कुछ मेरा कुछ तुम्हारा. Co-powered by Panasonic AC for smart homes.
Co-powered by Berger Paints, paint your imagination. Co-powered by new Kia Sonet, the wild reborn.
कौन सा तार काटूं? लाल या हरा?
So tell us, what do you bring to the table?
पर बोला, जब नींद होगी ब्रेक फ्री, तभी तो दिन होगा टेंशन फ्री. इसीलिए घर ले आइए Panasonic Pro Smart AC with custom sleep profile, India's first Matter-enabled RAC.
Panasonic.
इसे एवर रेडी अल्टीमा का लॉन्ग लास्टिंग पावर चाहिए. टॉयज से बच्चों की इमेजिनेशन चलती रहती है, इसीलिए इनकी बैटरी चलती रहनी चाहिए. नई एवर रेडी अल्टीमा बैटरी है 400% लॉन्गर लास्टिंग.
प्रेजेंटेड बाय अमेजिंग स्पेसेस के लिए ग्रीन लैम्प लैमिनेट्स, कुछ मेरा कुछ तुम्हारा। Co-powered by Panasonic AC for smart homes.
Co-powered by Berger Paints. Paint your imagination. Co-powered by new Kia Sonet, the Wild Reborn.
Welcome back. We are getting you live visuals from Ghaziabad, where the Prime Minister is holding a mega road show. Accompanying him is a BJP candidate as well as the Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister. BJP supporters lined up across the street to welcome him. The BJP hopes that this will have a big impact in Western Uttar Pradesh in particular. Tejshri and Pragya, my colleagues, are at the location bringing us the pulse of the people. Tejshri was speaking to a few of the people there on ground who were speaking about the positive impact that the Prime Minister's roadshow is going to have, and the BJP as well, how it has worked on ground, which is why they're hoping for another term for the Prime Minister. Take us through the mood on ground.
Certainly, we also spoke to the people, in fact, who also spoke about the Congress's manifesto, in fact, in which they mentioned about Nyaya. In fact, we will also speak to people over here. आपने भाजपा का झंडा लिया हुआ है हाथ में, क्या कारण है कि आप बीजेपी को सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं?
बीजेपी ने हमारे मोदी जी ने हमारे लिए देश के लिए बहुत कुछ किया है, हमारे देश को बहुत सुरक्षित किया है हमारे को। और
क्या किया ऐसा?
बीजेपी ने गुंडागर्दी कम करी है। यूपी में बहुत गुंडागर्दी होती थी। योगी जी
गुंडागर्दी अब नहीं होती?
नहीं है, बिल्कुल नहीं है। योगी जी ने बहुत अच्छा करा है।
And also, in fact, the Mandir push is a very major thing for BJP, and in fact, that is what I would like to show you over here. This is the Ram Mandir that's been constructed for, in fact, to give this message that yes, it is the BJP government who has made it possible, and this is what the people are showing over here. And we would also speak to the people over here, the women supporters, in fact, who have also gathered over here to show the support for Prime Minister. And in fact, let us try to speak to them and get a sense as to how the poll pulse is over here in Ghaziabad. आप कहाँ से आए हैं ये बताइए?
गाजियाबाद से।
गाजियाबाद से आइए। गाजियाबाद में क्या कुछ काम हुआ है महिलाओं के लिए?
महिलाओं के लिए बहुत काम किया है मोदी जी ने। हमारा सपना था मोदी जी को देखना, और आज पूरा हुआ है। मोदी जी ने महिलाओं के लिए बहुत।
राम मंदिर का मॉडल भी वहाँ पर रखा हुआ है। आपको लगता है कि बीजेपी के कारण ही मुमकिन हुआ है?
हम तो चाहते हैं बीजेपी आए, जो राम को लाए हैं हम उनको लाएंगे।
अच्छा, कांग्रेस नहीं लाएगी राम को, ऐसा पता था आपको?
हाँ, पता था
जी। आज हम बहुत खुश हैं क्योंकि आज देश के प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी गाजियाबाद में बना रहे हैं, तो हम लोगों के लिए बहुत ही आज उत्साह का दिन है, प्रोत्साहन का दिन। उन्होंने 70 साल में इतनी सरकारों ने कुछ नहीं किया जितना 10 साल में मोदी जी ने किया। पिछली सरकारों ने नहीं किया कुछ नहीं। कुछ काम का मतलब है कि 10 साल में उन्होंने इतना किया है कि आज आप यहाँ देख रहे हैं आसपास की जनता को कि कितनी प्रोत्साहित है उनके आने से, उनके दर्शन के लिए कितने ललायित है। All right. So these are the women voters, in fact, saying that it is Modi government who has empowered the women of Ghaziabad. Back to you.
Okay, all right. Tejshri and Pragya, request you to stay on with us. We continue with these live visuals back after a quick break.